Hey guys, I am Brittany Mills, and in this video I will be showing you guys how I wax under my arms. First, I'm going to start off by showing you the wax. It only came with waxing beads, and I got the wax from a company off of Amazon, and I will post all the links in the description below. So again, I will be showing you the product, the wax, and I will be using my own personal waxing machine. If you guys would like to see how I wax under my arms, please stay tuned. I made sure I allowed my hair to grow enough, so let's get started. Again, so here's my waxing kits. So I use alcohol to just clean under my arms to get any excess dirt that I may have under there, and I also just use a cotton pad as well. Then I will get another clean pad and use the pre-wax spray that I have. Okay, so I have now applied the wax on the waxing stick. So you want to, after you apply the wax on the stick, you want to twirl it like you see me doing here, because if you just allow it to sit still, it's going to start to fall, as you see here. And I also always use the other end of the stick to get 2 use out of it. So after this end dries, I use this one, the other end. And another thing, when you apply the wax, you want to apply in the opposite direction of the way your hair is growing or laying. See, my hair is laying like in a downward motion. So I applied the wax in the downward motion, and then when I get ready to pull it, I'm gonna pull it the opposite of which my hair is growing. So I'm gonna then pull up, if that makes sense. So you wanna pull a flap and then pull down from there while holding your arm, because it is gonna hurt. So now I'm just going back and getting the excess hair that I still see. And when you apply the wax anytime, you want to make sure that it's thick enough to be able to pull. Because if it's too thin, then you're not going to be able to pull it all at once. You're going to have different pieces here and there. Now I'm going to take a clean pad and some after spray that I have and just wipe the residue off. Okay, so even though I had a lot of hair under my arm, it wasn't that bad. It wasn't that painful either. Okay, so now I'm going to proceed to wax under the other side of my arm. Okay, so I am now finished waxing under my arms. The wax did pretty good. My arms are extremely soft. I don't feel any leftover hair or anything like that. Might be a few pieces, but I can plug or pull those out. And that's user error, not the actual wax bead. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope that it was truly helpful. If you're not sure if you should try it or not, why not just try it? It's not that bad. You have to get used to the pain, and then you will eventually get over it. So I'm also going to do a little extra. I'm going to add something else to the video. I'm going to be showing you guys also how I wax my eyebrows. So I wax my eyebrows myself. I've been doing that for years also, so I'm just going to show you my process. So it's the same steps that I would take when waxing under my arms. I just either use a smaller waxing stick or toothpicks. That helps me get all the little hairs, and also I'll be using a tweezer, and again showing you my whole process. So here is the toothpicks that I use. I just picked them up from my local store. You can get it from anywhere. I think I got these from Kroger's, but again, you can get them from any store. So I just used the alcohol to clean it. Now I'm going to be using the pre-wax spray. Now I'm going to take the after spray and just put it on my eyebrows. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys in my next video.